Hello everyone, it's Dale here. Welcome to the new weekly trading ideas video. Today we are going to take a look at 3 trading ideas. The first will be on the NQ, then we will take a look at the euro, and then on the British pound. So let's get to it. What you see before you, this is a NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and the VWAP indicators. And this is a 30-minute chart of the NQ. And what I want to talk about here is a new support which formed on Friday, and the support is right here at 24,550. If you look at the chart and on the volume profile, you can see that it was a D-shaped volume profile, which means temporary balance between buyers and sellers. And when there's a D-shaped profile like this, looking like letter D, right? Then I like to trade a rejection setup. Rejection setup is when you see a strong rejection of either higher or lower prices. In this case, this is a rejection of lower prices. And within that rejection, you want to see a significant volume cluster. You need to use volume profile to see that, but when you use it around the area where the rejection occurred, then you want to see something like this. This is a significant volume cluster. In this case, it represents a place where, as the sellers were pushing the price downwards, buyers start to appear. They started to buy aggressively, and eventually they reversed the price, right? So this is a strong rejection with a significant volume cluster. You want to see that, and then you want to trade from the beginning of the volume cluster. So this is the volume cluster, this is the beginning of it. The level is exactly at this area because there's also a fair value gap. You can see it in here, highlighted in green. Here's the fair value gap. This is the beginning of the fair value gap. I like to trade from the beginning of the fair value gap in this bullish scenario. So those are the reasons for this level being right here exactly at this level. And now I'm just waiting for the pullback, and if it occurs, then it will be long from there. All right, so that's for the NQ. Let's now take a look at the euro dollar. On the euro, I want to talk about a level which is in here. It is at 1.1561, and it is based on a significant volume zone which formed in here before this strong uptrend started. Let me show you with a volume profile. You can look at it like this, for example, and as you can see, this heavy volume zone really stands out here, and it's telling us that buyers were accumulating the long positions here, and from this point they started to push the price aggressively upwards, right? So this is a very important place for buyers. If there's a pullback to it in the future, it doesn't need to be today or tomorrow, but anytime in the future, if there's a pullback to it, there's a chance that there'll be a nice reaction from it, because the buyers from here will want to defend this place, right? Because clearly it's important for them, because they build up the long positions here, and from there they initiated this strong buying activity. So it's important for buyers, and they're likely to become active in here again. That's why I have the long there at 1.1561. All right, that's for the euro, and let's now take a look at the British pound. On the British pound, I'd like to talk about 2 levels, and both are supports. This one and this one. By the way, we are looking at a 30-minute chart of the British pound here. Let me start with the lower level at 1.3268, because it's very similar to the level which I've just shown you on the euro. What we have here is a significant volume cluster, or in other words, significant volume zone, this one, at the base of a new uptrend. So again, this is telling us that strong buyers were accumulating the long positions here, and from this place they pushed the price upwards, right? So again, this is an important place for buyers because they were active here before, and if the price makes it back to this level, it's likely that they'll become active again and push the price upwards, right? This place was important for them. Now, let me talk about the second long. It is in here at 1.3352, and it is based actually on two setups. One is volume profile setup, the other one is price action setup. Let's start with the volume profile setup. As you can see, this level formed within an uptrend, right? And there was significant volume zone, this one, inside that uptrend. Actually, this was the place where the heaviest volumes in that uptrend occurred, right? So you can see that very clearly on the volume profile, and the level which I have here is based on that. The heavy volume zone represents place where buyers were active. As the price went upwards, buyers were adding to the long positions in here, then the price continued upwards even more, and you know, if there is a pullback, then chances are that those buyers from here will become active and push the price upwards from there, right? Because this looks like important place for buyers because they were really active here as the price was moving upwards, so that's why they should become active in here again, defend this place which seems to be important for them. So that's the volume profile setup. There's also price action setup here. If you look at those two reactions, then this means that in the past this level worked as a resistance, right? When the price blew past that resistance, it turned into new support. This is a price action setup, and it nicely aligns with that volume profile setup which we have in here. Both setups pointing to the same level, so chances for a successful reaction are even higher. All right. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is at traderdale.com, and if you click this button, Trading Course and Tools, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading tools. Right now I'm running a special Halloween discount where you can get all the packs discounted. You can get them separately in here, or if you scroll down a bit, then at the bottom of this page there's this special deal where you can get all the 4 packs together for a discounted price, which is discounted until the end of the month. Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!